check and clean the coating in the kiln inlet chamber. This work is performed at the beginning of each shift by the kiln patroller. Before carrying out coating cleaning work in high-risk areas, they are first briefed in the standby room regarding occupational health and safety in hot and dangerous areas. Preparation for carrying out work for checking and cleaning coatings in the kiln inlet chamber and riser duct preheater area. Patrollers wear complete personal protective equipment, including wearing fire-resistant clothes, and bring handy talkie communication devices, and bring drinking water. At the time of carrying out the work of checking and cleaning the coating, a minimum of 2 people is carried out. This is the implementation of work to check and clean the coating in the kiln inlet chamber area, using a pipe connected to a water hose. 1 person does the coating cleaning job, and 1 person opens and closes the water faucet. Usually, the coating is on the right and left of the sliding wall of the kiln inlet chamber. After the work is finished, close the check hole again, so that no air enters the system. Thank you for watching this video, hopefully it's useful, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and share it with your friends who need it. See you in the next video.